G'day, I'm Helen, an Australian chef. Welcome to day 6 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today I will show you how to make your own mayonnaise and potato salad for your Christmas lunch. These are the ingredients you're going to need for mayonnaise. This makes around about 500 ml. We've got 2 eggs, a dash of Dijon mustard, a little bit of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and about 300 mils or 350 mils of vegetable oil. And this, my favourite piece of equipment in the kitchen, is a stick blender. Some people might get them as a bar mix, but you can get these as cheap as anything from your local shop, about $15. I love it. Okay, we're going to start with 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs. You can make mayonnaise with just egg yolks, but I actually prefer whole eggs. Okay, we're going to put a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. You may add a little bit more if you'd like a little bit more of a tangy taste. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Right now we'll just turn it on and we're going to blend consistently while pouring the vegetable oil in slowly. There you go, that only took just under a minute, and you can see nice thick mayonnaise. Now you add the seasoning before taking the blender out. A squeeze of lemon juice. If you've got fresh lemons, by all means use fresh lemons. And some salt and pepper. Might help if I turned it up the right way. And then just blend it a little bit more, just to blend those ingredients in. Okay, that's the mayonnaise done. Now for the potato salad. I've used 6 potatoes that I've chopped up and diced in approximately 2 centimetre by 2 centimetre wide. It's up to you, a personal preference, who likes a diced potato chunky or smaller, it's totally up to you. Now that's been cooked for about 15 minutes in boiling salted water, and I've blanched it, and it took approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You can tell when it's quite soft, but not too soft, because you want it to be able to hold its shape. And I've got 4 boiled eggs, 2 spring onions, and about 4 small slices of bacon that I've chopped and diced and sauteed till they're a nice crunchy bacon. Okay, so we're adding all the ingredients into the bowl. We've got the potatoes. Now we're going to slice the spring onions. It doesn't really matter how thin or how thick they are. And we're just putting all the ingredients into the bowl. Okay, we've got the spring onions in there. We've got the potatoes. Now we're putting the bacon in. Now I'm just going to chop up the egg. Once again, this does not have to be any specific size. You leave it as chunky or as small as you want. This is a typical Aussie potato salad. Very popular. Okay, now we're going to add some mayonnaise that we made earlier. Now we want this nice and moist, so try and mix around the veggies, the ingredients in the bowl together. As you can see, that's turning out lovely and colourful. Now just pour some mayonnaise in, beautiful textured mayonnaise. Nothing beats homemade mayonnaise. You can impress your friends. And simply mix it all around until it's a beautiful consistency, all evenly spread around the potatoes. That looks beautiful. Look at that lovely homemade potato salad. If you want to, even though the potatoes have been seasoned when they were cooked, you can add a little bit more salt and pepper. My favourite is the crushed black, pink and green pepper. Look at that, beautiful. Now you just want to put that into the bowl that you're going to serve it in on your table. If you want to impress your friends further, you can put a little bit of a garnish. You don't want to overdo it, but just to keep it simple, I've made you some spring onion flowers. Simply need put 2 spring onion flowers in there. I'm going to put that aside and show you quickly how I made that. This is so you don't waste your spring onions. At the end or halfway through the spring onions, you've got that dark green. So you're simply going to hold the edge of it and you're going to cut your knife down the middle without going all the way through the spring onion. Simply cut it into strips. As you can see, it's got the shape, and put that into cold water, and that can be left overnight or left for a couple of hours in the fridge to curl. As you can see, this one's a little bit thicker, but it will make a beautiful curl. Looks really nice. Simple as that. And you just need to put that into the fridge. There's the finished homemade potato salad. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll get my next video. Have a go.